Let's see how you can send messages via Zapier using VABA or CRM channels. The very first thing you need to do in Zapier is click on add a new action and select the option webhooks by Zapier. Here select the event as custom request. Click on continue. In the method you need to define the method as post. In the URL, so we have this API documentation. Kindly refer our API documentation. Here we have the option of domain, which is variable. We have to go to VABA template, send template message folder. So you are basically sending template messages to your user. So this is basically the URL, wherein the domain is variable /v1/messages. Simply copy it and paste it here. Now this domain variable will delete it and you'll get your domain from the API copying option from here. Simply paste it here. Next, data passed through will be false. The data is basically the JSON message data. So you can take any of your templates and let us see here. You can click on this second curly bracket icons. You'll get the JSON data for the same or JSON payload for the same. You need to paste that here. Now in this you need to replace the receiver with any of your variables, which you can check from any of your previous steps. So I have this phone number here. Ensure that you enter the phone number with country code. So if you are from India and your previous actions or steps do not have the number with country code, you can type it here like this, or if they have it, you can simply ignore it. All the variables in the body of the template. So for example, this particular template had just one variable. You can also map that here. So you simply change the text, and then you can map it like this from any of your previous steps. Now unflatten would be no, and we need to define headers. So we'll again go to our Postman doc. The very first header is the API key. Simply copy it, paste it here, and you'll get your API key from this option. Copy the API key and then paste it here. Next you need to click on another item in the header, which is the content type. Copy this, paste, and then copy this and paste. So you have defined API key and the content type in the headers. You have selected unflatten as no, the payload of the template with various variables and the URL, and the method is post. Now click on continue. You can test this step. You'll receive a success attempt with the message ID. So this is how you can send WhatsApp template messages using Zapier. After this you can publish the flow and possibly name it. Thank you.